Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming up with a OneDrive startup JavaScript error on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start this tutorial off by opening up the Start menu. Just click on the Start button one time. Type in Run, so R-U-N. Best match should come back to run here. Go ahead and just left click on that. Now into this run field, you want to type in inetcpl.cpl. Again, exactly as it appears on my screen. So inetcpl followed by a .cpl or period, whatever you want to refer to it as. And then either hit enter on your keyboard or left click on OK. Once you're here, you want to go select the Advanced tab. Reset Internet Explorer settings resets Internet Explorer settings to their default condition. Go ahead and select reset. You want to check mark where it says delete personal settings, so just keep in mind this will reset homepage, search providers, and accelerators to default settings, deletes temporary internet files, history, cookies, web form information. So if you have any passwords saved on any websites, you're going to have to re-enter them, so just make sure you're aware of that before you go ahead and click on reset. So once you're confirmed, again, make sure you read all this here, but it disables, and you want to go ahead and just left click on reset. Give it a moment here. Once that's done, you have all green check marks in here. You should be 4. Go ahead and left click on close. Would suggest restarting your computer as well. Okay, so now the computer's restarted. That should hopefully be about it. So I do have this brief tutorial, was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.